Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the problems related to cost of capital. In first video, that is basics of cost of capital I have discussed. So today I will discuss the problems related to cost of capital. In this video, some are the problems I am going to discuss. The problem number 1, that is a company issues rupees 80,000 debentures at 9% interest. What is the cost of debt? We should find out the cost of debt here. So there is a formula KD equal to I divided by P, that is 80,000. So in here first we should find out the what is the I means interest, P is principal. Here I 9% interest rate, so principal amount 80,000. In 80,000 9% how much? 7,200. So I divided by P, 7,200 divided by 80,000, that is the answer is 0.09. If we converted it into percentage, KD equal to 0.09 into 100, then it is a 9%. So it is a simple formula. Then come to the point, when the debentures are going to issue on par value, that is a par value, that time problem is a company issues rupees 50,000 8% debentures at par. At par a tax rate is 50%. And what is the cost of debt? In this problem, they have clearly given the principal amount and interest rate 8% debentures and at a par value. Also they have mentioned the tax rate, that is a 50%. So we should calculate the cost of debt. So it is a formula KD equal to 1 minus TR. So 1 as it is, T means what? It is a 50%. We should convert it into point. So 0.50 and 8%. What is the interest? 8 divided by 100. So simplify it, 0.50. 1 minus 0.50, that is a 0.50 into 8 divided by 100 as it is. Then simplify it is again 0.04. KD equal to 0.04 into 100 equal to 4%. That is we are here converting the percentage. So that is 4%. Same problem, that is again I have solved, that is related to debentures are going to issued at par. So here also amount is different, that is 90,000 amount, 9% interest rate and 50% is a tax rate. Simply same formula I have solved again. Let it be, you can take a screenshot and do it homework. Then next one, when the debentures are going to be issued at a discount. If the debentures are issued less than the face value, it is known as a discount. It means suppose debentures are 1 lakh and we are going to issue it is in 80,000, then it is 20,000 whatever the discount has given, it is treated as a discount. Then I will directly solve the problem related to discount. A company issues 80,000 9% debentures at discount of 5%. The tax rate applicable to the company is 50%. Calculate the cost of debt. Whatever the cost of debt is in this problem we should calculate. It is related to discount. What kind of discount they have mentioned? 5% discount. So first we should put it in formula, that is a KD equal to I divided by P, 1 minus T. It is a formula. I is interest rate, P is in discount case P is face value minus discount, and 1 minus T. 1 minus T is a tax rate. So first we should calculate interest. Whatever the principal amount, 80,000, 9% interest, that is 7,200. Then come to the point discount. Principal amount is how much? 80,000. 80,000 is a principal amount. On that 5%, they have clearly mentioned 5% interest rate is there. So 5% interest rate, 80,000, that is 4,000 amount is a discount. So let the take P is face value minus discount, that is a 76,000 is a P value. Then T is a tax rate. Simplify it is 0.50. Then KD equal to, for as it is a amount, should put it in formula I divided by P. I means interest rate 7,200 divided by 76,000, 1 minus 0.50. Simplify it, automatically we get the answer, that is 0.047. Then again we should convert it into percentage, then multiply with 100, then automatically answer is 4.7% KD. So it is in case of discount. It is a very simple. First we should come to the now about a P value. P value is in here. Directly we should deduct the discount in a face value or principal value. And next I will discuss with you, that is when the debentures are going to be issued at a premium. At a premium, in case we should now about the meaning about premium. In premium, debentures are issued more than the face value. If face value is 1 lakh, we are going to issuing 1 lakh 20. It means more. So let's discuss with problem. XYZ Limited issues 1 lakh debentures at 9%, 1 lakh rupees 9% debentures at a premium of 10%. How much premium? 10%. The cost of flotation of is 2%. Flotation cost also given, and tax rate applicable is 60%. Calculate the cost of debt. Here formula is same as it is in discount case, but P value is going to be changed. Here P is face value plus premium minus flotation cost. If flotation cost not mentioned, then no need to again deduct. Just face value plus premium is the P. But in this case they have mentioned flotation cost, so we should deduct it in face value and premium amount. So I will discuss it. In here I, interest is 9%, that is a 1 lakh 9%, on 1 lakh 9% is 9,000. Then P is face value 1 lakh, premium is 10,000 minus 2% flotation cost. Is that 2% should deduct, calculate on 1 lakh 10,000, that is a face value and premium amount. Both are 1 lakh 10,000. On that 2%, that is a 2,200. Deduct it in 1 lakh 10,000, that is a 1 lakh 7,800. Then tax rate is a 0.60. Then put it in amounts in formula. I, that is a 9,000, fees already we have calculated, 1 lakh 7,800 into 1 minus 0.60, that is the tax rate. Simplify it, answer is 0.0332. Again we have to convert it into 100. The answer is 3.33 or 32 nearest points percent. Is percentage 3.33% KD is in case of premium. Just we should come to know P value in discount and premium, then automatically we are came to know the how to calculate KD in different cases. Thank you for watching. If there is any comment on videos, thank you.